Just trying to go check for eggs real quick. Yeah. Some of these drifts are up to my waist, and it's just getting worse. Yeah. Right, you guys? Oh man, it has intensified. We've probably gotten about 4 to 5 more inches in the last 3 hours. Gosh, I can't even really look up. Oh man, the snow is just smacking me in the face. But yeah, the dogs are just having a good old time wrestling in the blizzard. Here comes Coco to join in. You tell him to knock it off, Coco. Good girls. Yeah, it's getting nasty, folks. I just gotta try to get some chores done and get back inside.